Okay, so here we are, and I got myself a ice bath spa, which we're gonna open up here. So hopefully I won't stab myself as I open it. And sorry, I'm doing the voiceover, but my microphone, even though I was wearing it, was not working. So I'm gonna be opening this up, and I'll show you guys what the ice bath looks like. I was having a difficult time opening this without cutting myself, but eventually I do get it open, I swear. Just stay with me here. So I think first I was going to just take everything out and show y'all what was inside of it. And it comes with a bunch of the poles to hold up the sides. It comes with its own pump, which is nice to pump up the little ring at the top. And then it comes with the actual device itself and a little pillow, I guess. I don't know how long you want to sit in an ice bath that you really need a pillow for, but it's good to have. And then it did come with its own little patch kit, which is basically just a sticker. Hopefully don't get any holes in this. I doubt I will because it is super duper thick. But I will be showing you how to install it. So here I am putting it together. See how fast I go. I was just going ridiculously fast, but it was super easy to put together. Just basically put those holes in the sides and blow up the top ring. And that was it. And you can see on the bottom there's the little valve, and that's just where you can go to open it up and close it to drain the water. And then you can see a little bit right underneath it, there is, at the very bottom, there's another little opening. So you could open up the bottom, I guess, and let the water drain out if you're like on a patio or something like that, down straight down. It looks like, but I don't have it filled with water, and I'm not going to fill it very soon, so that's why I was just showing you guys how it is here. But I really like this. It's a super heavy duty and really good quality ice bath, so yeah, I'm excited to give it a try once I get the opportunity.